Hi friends, let me show you this pressure washer that I received for reviewing purposes. I think it's great to have a water pressure washer because, well, of course you can clean everything in your patio, your car, whatever. So let's see what we've got. Let's put it together. Okay, these different nozzles are 0 degrees. It's just like a straight water. This is a 15 degrees angle and a 40 degrees angle. So you get more angle of the water or less, okay? Okay, you fit it really easy. Just pull back this one and that's it. There it is, okay? And you also get this tank to use it instead of the nozzle, to use it with soap or detergent, okay? So, well, you get this also and this one. Let's try. Okay, so we are going to test it. You just connect the water hose here and the electric cord here. Okay, ready. Let's turn on the water. So we have the water here. Now we have to turn it on. Okay, and you can start washing. Nice pressure cleaner washer. It removes all the paint. As you can see, the floor really gets clean. You saw how the paint was removed, and you can do this in your patio to wash your car, your fence, whatever you want to clean with the power of water, with not a lot of water, just a small amount of water, okay? So if you need a washer like this is a really good one. Thank you.